Hello, P3 students. Welcome again to our English 3 with Miss Ida, and we are now on Unit 6, Lesson 5, Baby Dinosaurs. Let's get our learner's book and open it on pages 84 to 87 while watching this video. And don't forget, get your English notebook and your pen as we will be answering some of the activities as we go along. So are you ready? Let's get started. Our lesson objectives are the following. Listening. Listen to dinosaur fossil discoveries. Speaking. Speak about dinosaur facts. Reading. Understand meaning from context. Read and decide if sentences are true or false. For our language focus, information texts. For our vocabulary, we have the following words. Expert, exciting, nest, worm, down, hatch, clue, dud, berries, steel, dangerous, bone bed, grown up, deer, volcano, erupt. Take your time to check their meanings, children. For our first activity, let's talk about it. What do you think baby dinosaurs were like? What do you think, children? And for our second activity, let's read and listen to the true story of an amazing dinosaur discovery. So are you ready? An amazing fossil discovery. In 1978, John Horner, an American dinosaur expert, made an exciting discovery. He found a group of dinosaur nests filled with fossil eggs and dinosaur babies. It was a wonderful chance for scientists to learn about the life of baby dinosaurs. The first nest that Dr. Horner discovered had 15 baby dinosaurs. Each dinosaur was nearly a meter long. The bones of an adult dinosaur were near the nest. Dr. Horner could tell that the babies were not new babies because their teeth were worn down. They had been eating food for quite a while. The mother must have brought food to them in the nest, just as mother birds feed their babies today. Dr. Horner named the new dinosaur Myosaurus. The name means good mother dinosaur. In another nest, Dr. Horner found smaller babies that had just hatched. Their legs were too big to walk. Dr. Horner and his team discovered more nests and bones. They called the place Egg Mountain. They gathered lots of clues about how the dinosaurs lived. A mother myosaur was about as big as a bus and as heavy as an elephant. She was too heavy to sit on her eggs. She would break them. Probably the mother myosaur put leaves and dirt on top of the eggs to keep them warm. When the eggs hatched, the mother would bring leaves and berries to her hungry babies. Myosaurs were plant-eating dinosaurs. The babies stayed in the nest for several months, growing bigger and stronger. Dr. Horner found the nests of another kind of dinosaur on Egg Mountain. This dinosaur was a small meat-eating dinosaur called Troodon. Troodons probably tried to steal the little myosaur babies to feed their own babies. Life could be dangerous for baby myosaurs. In 1984, Dr. Horner and the other scientists made another discovery. Near Egg Mountain, they found a giant bone bed with the bones of hundreds of myosaurs. There were bones of grown-up myosaurs and bones of young myosaurs. The smallest bones were from myosaurs about 1 year old. Why were there so many myosaurs in one place? Dr. Horner wondered. And why did they all die at the same time? The scientists looked for clues. They think that the myosols were traveling in a big group like sheep or deer do today. Clues showed that a volcano had erupted and killed all the myosaurs and other animals living in that area. For our third activity, it's word study. Find the blue words. Match them with their meaning below. A. Broke open so the baby's inside can't come out. B. Not safe. C. Take something that is not yours. And D. Facts that help you guess the answer. So take your time to answer, children, for word study. And for the fourth activity, read. Is each sentence true or false? So you may read again the story before answering the 6 questions below. Number 1. Dr. Horner found a lot of dinosaur nests on Egg Mountain. Number 2. A myosaur baby could run as soon as it came out of the egg. Number 3. Troodon mothers built nests and took care of their babies. Number 4. Troodon babies ate meat. Number 5. Myosaurs may have traveled in big groups. And for the number 6 question, they died because it was too cold. So take your time to answer true or false. And for the fifth activity, let's talk. The scientists learned a lot about myosaurs. What clues did they find for each fact? Number 1. The mother myosaur looked after her babies. Number 2. Many of the babies were not newborn. Number 3. Egg Mountain was a dangerous place for the baby myosaurs. And for number 4, myosaurs lived in big groups. So let's discuss about these children during our Zoom meeting. And for the last activity, values. A good scientist is curious, patient, hardworking, willing to change his or her mind. Which of these qualities do you have? If you were a scientist, what would you like to study and why? So take your time to answer this activity, children, and we will be checking your answers during our Zoom meeting. And that ends lesson 5, children. Be ready and be on time for our Zoom meeting tomorrow. Always stay safe and healthy, children. Bye bye and God bless everyone.